In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious stuffed bread rolls with farm cheese recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need bread rolls, farmer's cheese, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of raisins, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a lemon zest, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of sour cream, and half a cup of powdered sugar. We're going to start by cutting off the tops of our bread rolls and scooping out the insides into a bowl. We're going to break up the bread from the inside of the rolls into small pieces. Now we're going to beat an egg until it's smooth and add it to the bread. Add in the farmer's cheese and mix well. Once mixed, we're going to add in half of the vanilla extract and the lemon zest. Now add in the sugar and mix until completely combined. Add the raisins and distribute evenly. We're going to set this aside for later. We're going to mix together the milk and the remaining vanilla extract. We are now going to brush the insides of our egg rolls with this vanilla milk mixture. We're going to place our bread rolls on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. We are now going to fill our bread rolls with our filling. We're going to add the tops back to the bread rolls. Using our vanilla milk mixture, we're going to brush it on top of our rolls. Add a dollop of sour cream onto each roll and spread it out evenly. We're going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. When our rolls are finished baking, we're going to dust them with powdered sugar. Our stuffed bread rolls with farmer's cheese are ready to plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.